of course, you are very much a pioneer in Russian fintech, although you don't consider yourself that a fintech player. What kind of expansion plans?
We were fintech when this world did not exist. So,
what does your expansion plans look like? Because as I mentioned earlier, you don't have any plans to go overseas at the moment.
No, we don't, because we try to stay focused. That's why we're profitable. That's why we're growing so fast. We are booking 500,000 new accounts, new clients per month right now. So we're doing quite well. We are second largest growing now retail bank in Russia, and one of the reasons we are so successful, we are focusing, and we want to be champion in our local market. It's still 140 million people. And then we'll see what's the next, maybe at some point, but not now.
Now, recently you guys launched an app that targets the younger generation. This is the Tinkoff Junior app for kids to help manage their finances. Now, what age are you guys targeting?
Tinkoff Junior can be from 6 to 14. Then after 14, we consider it's already our customers for our debit product, for Tinkoff Black. And yeah, it's basically, let's say it's up to 14 years old, and it's a very successful product. It's growing so well, and people appreciate it. We have our dedicated call center when our operationists, they're talking in the special language with kids, etc. It's very exciting product, and of course we teach them, and because we believe that the financial literacy should be very high. So it's a social project, yet it is a financial project.
Now I'm curious, because I am a mother of two, what kind of lessons are you teaching kids in terms of finance at the age of 6?
We start talk to them in their own language again, with our dedicated team of the call center people, and they learn and teach them how to use money, what's money in their life, etc. There's all kind of techniques, but again, we just want them to understand more about financial business and about money before they're grown.
Now, you guys have something like 7 million customers, but no physical branches. What trends are you seeing in digital banking?
The trends are very clear, at least in Russia. Nobody want to go to the branch. I believe that in 10 years there will be no branch, because there's no point to go to the branch, queuing in the line, when you can do everything from your phone. And for example, now from our application, you can buy cinema theater, book the restaurant table, make all the payments, pay your parents or got the money from your parents or whatever, and pay utilities bill, anything you can do from the mobile phone. I don't see any point to go to the branch. And also, in our case, you can do investment. You have so-called Tinkoff investment application when you can invest into any stock, any bonds or anything. So why would you go to the branch? I think all those buildings will be eventually Starbucks cafe.
Okay, so you have no physical branches. What does that mean for relationship managers in terms of the people that a bank usually hires to cater to their customers? What's going to happen to all of those jobs?
They will be selling Starbucks coffee, as I said.
Okay, what is your prediction in terms of Russia in the fintech space compared to other countries around the world? Where does Russia stand?
I'm proud to say that Russia, I believe, is the second largest pool of talents after Silicon Valley. It's thank you to Soviet system of education of physics and mathematicians and engineers. Not to forget, we were the first who put the human space into the space, etc., etc. It's based on this bunch of Moscow and Moscow suburb universities. We have a lot of talents, a pool of talents. For example, in our office we've got about 2,000 developers, and the average age is 24. We've got young, talented people, and they usually they choose to work in Silicon Valley or in Moscow. So we are very lucky to have this pool of talent in our country.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.